Damon Ortega, Wad Doc Fitness and Firearms Online Competition, workout number 4, the shuttle sprint. Clean target, tape measure, there, see that hopefully. My pistol set up right at 45 feet, so this side of the cone. Rifle set up at 90 feet. I don't know if you can see that. On this side of the cone, this side of the table. Should be good to go. So you see everything.
Brush some tunes out here.
Yeah, I'm worried about it. Play your phone. Got that here on 3 mags, 5, 3 mags, 5, 2 targets. Alright, pretty. Let me see, where's your phone at? Can you pull up the webpage? I just want to make sure it's starting at pistol, pretty sure. Not a rifle. Set up, instructions. Contact finish at touching pistol fire in line with hand. Okay. Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Let me push it. You got it? Let me push it.
Yeah, it should start a 10-second countdown.
Ready? 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. 240.
There.
Let me touch it.
No.
Okay. Whew. Go look at the targets. I think I threw a couple of those pistol. One rifle, one pistol. So it looks like. Rifle target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One miss. Not sure my time or what it said on the camera. Whatever it is, plus 20 seconds.